Understanding North Carolina's solar incentives is crucial. Are you a North Carolina homeowner considering switching to solar energy? Did you know that North Carolina offers 100% property tax exemption for solar on residential properties? With North Carolina's property tax exemption, you can generate electricity for your home without the burden of additional property taxes. Your annual property tax obligations remain unaffected, which encourages homeowners to adopt sustainable energy solutions. In addition to the property tax exemptions, North Carolina offers the federal solar investment tax credit. Homeowners can claim a tax credit for a percentage of their solar system installation costs and take advantage of a 40-cent per watt rebate. North Carolina's abundant sunshine, favorable net metering policies, and supportive renewable energy programs make it an excellent state for solar investments. The property tax exemption not only makes solar energy financially feasible, but also encourages sustainable practices and reduces the carbon emissions on the environment. With North Carolina's 100% property tax exemption and additional incentives available, there has never been a better time to go solar in the state of North Carolina and be a Tar Heel. Embrace renewable energy, save money, and contribute to a greener future by harnessing the power of the sun.